Well, welcome to Snooze News. We are here and sitting 6 feet apart, and we just want to say we hope you're doing well. We know everybody's getting pretty restless during these times. He's looking at me really weird. But yeah, so we just wanted to talk to you about kind of what's going on with us, check in with you guys. We're still experiencing the stay at home, so yeah, please, Yuval, take the floor.
Take the floor? Where am I going to take the floor?
Okay, yes. We wanted to talk about what we're doing right now in our
Thank you.
production,
Very
where we
good.
are
See?
making these masks.
She's getting into it now.
I am.
Very good.
Okay, you
Now-
get a second. I'm going to show them.
Okay, so here's what I want people to, first of all, okay, pull it down a little bit. All right, so this, yeah, not too much, okay. Rachel is right. We obviously are like everybody else as a business. We're suffering because people are staying at home, and rightfully so, under the conditions, and listening to the local authorities. So what we have decided is that we're going to manufacture masks for the first responders. And first responders, by the way, are not necessarily only the police and the fire department and the healthcare workers. Obviously they are. But you have a lot of municipal workers.
That's good.
You have a lot of reporters outside that are first responders that are bringing you all this news. You have a lot of people that most folks don't think about that are first responders in this sense. So we decided that we're going to make the masks for anyone that needs it in the Houston area, not just Houston. This is the type of fabric that you will find inside a surgical mask. So basically it doesn't allow any droplets out from you to a person in front of you, and it doesn't allow any droplets in from a person in front of you to you. So it's not the most attractive thing, but I chose the orange because it distincts our masks from everybody else. We'll just call it Orange Glow. Why? Ask me why.
Why?
Why? I have no clue, but it sounded good at the moment. Okay?
Marketing.
The bottom line is we want you to stay healthy and safe. I still want to make a point though. The point is that everybody is at home. Everybody is realizing that this is a new norm. I'm not saying that going forward, once we get over this, this will be the new norm, obviously. But I am saying we're going to encounter a new norm. And I can honestly say everything will be okay. What does that mean? That means that if you take a moment and you realize, for most of us, nothing has happened except that we have to stay at home. Okay? We find that our children are grown up. We find that our young children need more attention, and we are relearning how to deal with kids and being more creative at how to educate them and play with them and do things that we cannot do anymore, which is go somewhere to be entertained. We're relearning how to entertain ourselves, which is a good thing, okay? For example, I do gardening. Rachel does cooking. And I have my neighbor that is playing cards with his daughter the first time. I have another neighbor that they're actually building these little boxes to put dirty clothes in when they come in the house, so they separate it from the other boxes. I see all my neighbors out walking. This past weekend was Easter. Everybody had an egg hunt, but it was through the windows, which was pretty cool, you know? So everything that is new is not bad. Okay? You're going to need to sleep. I want you to sleep well. And if you have a need to buy a mattress, yes, I am going to say you should buy it from us, because we are the only ones in the city of Houston that know how and what is in a mattress and how it fits you. Rachel here is on chat every day with another young lady and other folks. Everybody that's on chat on our website works here. You get accurate information.
Well, just so you know, I had a question at 10:30 p.m. last night, and who did I call?
The ghost.
So that's just how much expertise you're getting if, we have direct access.
Exactly right. Okay? And I feel kind of awkward doing this normally. This is a business about mattresses, and we need to sell mattresses because that's how we pay our employees and our bills. Today, if you're at home, you're uncomfortable, and I mean uncomfortable physically, you have pressure points, and so on and so forth. You have an old mattress that you've always said, I'm going to buy one. Well, guess what? You're at home, buy one. Go online. Look at our website. Check out our quiz. Any questions? Call us, chat with Rachel and the other folks. I promise you, you'll get the right answers. You'll get the best product for the best price. And when we're all done with this, then we can meet each other and I can make you laugh in person. Because I really am noticing that if I can't interact with human beings, my sense of humor is being lost, okay? And I invite my children way too much to my home, and I enjoy their company way too much. Where usually they aggravate me, which makes me happy. But now, I kind of love them, which is kind of weird. But on that note, I think that...
Yeah, I mean, I just want to thank all the first responders and actually really everyone out there, all the people working in the grocery stores.
Everybody that is
in our
contributing.
community. We're, Houston, really, I'm proud to live in this city because you notice the community really comes together and supports each other. And I couldn't be more proud to work for a company that supports the community and also live in this community.
You know what? That's a cool point. That really is a nice point because Houston, for a city, the fourth largest city in the United States, I mean, it's huge.
Yeah.
Okay? The way people have come together and the way people are respecting the local authorities and are helping each other is mind-boggling. Mind-boggling.
Yeah.
So if I may say, don't ever forget that. Don't ever forget that your neighbor is there and he is willing to help you. Don't ever forget to ask for help when you need help, because you'd be shocked how many people will go out of their way to be nice to you. This is a unique city. It really is. I mean, it really is. That's a great point.
Okay, we're not using any of these for bloopers, but...
It's going to be your number one blooper, whatever. Okay. With the mask on, her name is...
Oh my God, I can't...
With the mask off, it's Rachel. Just wanted to make that point. Okay, let's go back. And on that note, I want to say one last thing, if I may. Okay? Is definitely a subject that we should talk about now that you're at home. Okay. If you happen...
Bye.
That's all I wanted to say. By the way, well, we can talk about it in more detail later because I want to catch up on my education on that. What happened?
Oh my God!
Rachel?
You can't use any of that. Okay.
Shit, you can't.
You can't say.
I said.
Ninja turtle.
What?
Like a ninja.
A ninja? A ninja, you're asking a minute. Ninja.
Okay.
Okay, we're done here.